Okay, we have a Haas VF5-SS vertical machining center. Serial number 1168566. This machine was new in 2019. We're gonna run it for you. Machine has a Haas control, 12,000 RPM spindle, Cat 40. That's 2,000 RPM. It goes up to 12,000 RPM, 4,000 RPM. You have Renishaw tool probe, 8,000 RPM. Again, it goes up to 12. You have a 54 by 24 table. That's 10,000 RPM. This machine is completely silent. 10,399. You have a side mount tool changer. They're simulating a tool change. You have 50 inches of X travel, 26 in Y, and 25 of Z. We're going to be moving the axes around for you. That's your X, completely silent. Telescopic weight covers all axes. T-slotted table. It's your Y. And your Z. You also have a 300 PSI coolant through spindle. Again, there's your Renishaw probe. I'm going to show you the pump. Chip auger. There's your pumps, 300 PSI. Show you this tag. 2019, 10 of 2019, almost 2020. This machine's original paint. It is spectacular. It's your side view. You also have your Royal mist collector. Okay, hey, thank you for watching our video.